आज मैं आपको बहुत ही क्विकली मेरा करंट स्किन केयर रूटीन बताने वाली हूँ एंड आई एम ऑल्सो गोना टेल यू व्हाई आई एम यूजिंग दोज प्रोडक्ट्स. सो So let's start with the first thing that was supposed to be a face wash. So अभी मैं face wash लेके नहीं बैठी हूँ because obviously it's in the bathroom. I'm gonna give a photo here. So this is the face wash that I'm using right now, and it's a good face wash. It's a foaming face wash. Now मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि face wash को हमें इतना भी importance नहीं देना चाहिए, like not over importance. Because see, it's just gonna stay onto your skin for couple of seconds, probably just couple of seconds or a couple of minutes if you are that person जो कि बहुत अच्छे से फेस वॉश करता है. तो यार ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं रहने वाला है स्किन पे, विच मीन्स कि एब्जॉर्प्शन उसमें से ऐसा इतना कुछ नहीं होता है. इफ यू आर लुकिंग टू यूज़ ऑल दीज फैंसी फेस वॉशेस जिसमें ये है वो है, तो I'm just gonna tell you this. See, it's gonna cleanse your skin and वही मैटर करता है कि वो आपका स्किन कितना क्लीन कर रहा है. उसके अलावा it doesn't matter what it has in it because nothing is gonna literally penetrate because you're just gonna wash it off, right? And I'm really happy with the results. मैं extreme अच्छा है नहीं बोलूँगी, मैं extreme बुरा है भी नहीं बोलूँगी. And I am loving this product. So I have recently discovered this brand और इस brand से हमने क्लिनिक में टाई अप करा है, which means हमारे क्लिनिक में सारे ही प्रोडक्ट्स इसी ब्रांड के हैं. I have been recommending this to multiple patients and people are actually loving it. Also, I'm using it personally. My husband is using it and even he is loving the effects. So yes, it's I'll just rate this. So it will be 8 out of 10. Yeah, I have definitely used better and definitely I have used the worst also, but this is nowhere near the worst side. So I think 8.5. 8 is fair. 8. Yeah. So the next thing that I use after my face wash in the morning routine is vitamin C. This is the vitamin C by the same brand that I'm using, and I love using this. You know, मैंने actually बहुत सारे vitamin C try करे हैं. मैंने सो आई हैव दिस मेडिकेटेड वाइटामिन सी सीरम जो कि प्योर वाइटामिन सी है, मैंने वो तक ट्राई करा है, पर इसका रिजल्ट्स मुझे काफ़ी अच्छा लगा. लाइक इट वाज रियली वर्थ बीइंग रिलीजियस टू, and it was really worth using it. So if I want to rate this one, I am going to rate this one somewhere around 9. Yeah, 9. I think 9 is perfect. So one point इसके इसीलिए कम है क्योंकि I don't know, I am in love with dropper वाला serum and this one has a pump. And let me also tell you a truth. So ये वाला ना मुझसे गिर गया था, मेरे हाथ से गिर गया था and इसका pump खराब हो गया. So since then I just went ahead and I started using it with a dropper, but the result is amazing. I am loving the results actually. And vitamin C is really important in your skincare, trust me, because it acts like a second layer of barrier from the sun. It helps to protect your skin from photosensitivity. So the SPF, your SPF also does the same, but then SPF is the first layer that's protecting your skin from the sun, and then vitamin C is going to be the second layer. और नीचे ही नीचे it is also working onto your pigmentations. It's also working onto your uneven skin tone. That's the plus point about it. And because it has amazing antioxidant benefits, it gives you that glow, you know. Hence I definitely keep a vitamin C into my skin routine. And अगर इसका पैकेजिंग ख़राब नहीं हुआ होता, अगर इसका पंप नहीं टूटा होता गिर के, तो मैं इसको डेफिनेटली 10 on 10 देती. बट somewhere in my head I have this thing जहाँ पे मेरे लिए packaging of the product is also equally important. Not when I say this, I do not mean कि यार दिखना अच्छा चाहिए. I mean कि मेरा product use मुझे मतलब it should be comfortable to use. Packaging matters. So definitely a 10 on 10 if अगर इसकी वो pump नहीं टूटता तो. And the third thing in my morning routine is my moisturizer. Now, I have two moisturizers. I have no shame to admit it. But one is for eye, one is my under eye cream. I love using this Clinically ka under eye cream. It is actually working really good for my under eye. It gives me that soothing wala feeling, maybe because it has caffeine into it. And then it also says it has collagen. It also has Chardonnay. This ingredient, that is Chardonnay, is a marine origin wala ingredient. It is known to reduce dark circles. It is known to boost collagen and elasticity. And I really think it definitely works. So I am in love with this eye cream. Apart from that under eye moisturizer, I am also using this one. So this is the Hydra Soothe Moisturizer by Clinically. Has ceramides, hyaluronic acid and vitamin E in it. I am loving this moisturizer. Vitamin E है तो इसीलिए मैं थोड़ा सा skeptical रहती हूँ कभी-कभी इसको यूज़ करूँ कि नहीं करूँ, लेकिन ये बहुत ही बढ़िया moisturizer है. And it has that, it has a very different, एक ना इसमें ना एक thickness है. अब पता नहीं मैंने कभी ऐसा thick product feel नहीं किया पहले कभी. It has that, I really want to describe this because I have touched something like this prior और बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है to use this. So I guess ऐसा नहीं है कि this is bad. ऐसा भी नहीं है कि this is the best product that I've ever used. So I am going to give this one somewhere around 9.5. Definitely 9.5. I'm gonna give this 9.5 and I'm gonna give this one 7.5 because I have definitely used better moisturizer than this. But certain skin type के लिए, जैसे dry skin type के लिए this will work amazing. Sensitive skin type के लिए this will work amazing. But I do not feel it. Like for me as an oily skin person, मुझे इतना अच्छा नहीं लगा इसका texture because I don't know. But it will definitely work great for someone who has dry or sensitive skin. So hence for oily skin, 7. And this one, 9. Loving it. Okay, so this was about it. And then comes my last thing that I apply in the morning routine, and जिसके बाद मेरा morning routine finish हो जाएगा. It is SPF by Clinically. Again, I am loving this brand. Honestly, I am loving this brand. So the SPF again has ceramides, has essential amino acids, InfraGard, and it's SPF 50 PA+++. So triple plus means good protection from the sunlight. It is also broad spectrum. It is also non-comedogenic. It is sweat and water resistant, suitable for sensitive skin. So this is why I love it. Isko to I'm gonna give this 10 on 10. 10 on 10. A definite 10 on 10. Amazing है यार, मतलब it's a dream sunscreen, and actually this is sweat resistant, so it's amazing. Now there's this one product by the same brand that I use for my hair, and I have noticed amazing results. no hair fall, or you can say really less hair fall in over a week. Definite results. This, the hair regrowth serum by Clinically. Now it says this is a hair regrowth serum. It has Procapil, Anagen, and Fishin. Okay, so the good thing about this was कि ये spray में आता है. You literally have to just do this and do this. Massage it onto your scalp. That's all. That is literally all. That is all. That's how you do it. और एंड आपको ना कोई चिपचिपापन कुछ नहीं फील होने वाला है. वंस दिस एब्जॉर्ब्स इनटू योर स्किन, एक बार ये एब्जॉर्ब हो जाएगा स्किन में, आपको कोई चिपचिपापन नहीं फील होगा. आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा कि आपने कोई सीरम लगाया है हेयर का. एंड बिकॉज इट इज़ सो हैंडी, द पैकेजिंग इज सो अमेजिंग. इट ऑल्सो कम्स विद अ कैप विच प्रोटेक्ट्स इट फ्रॉम ड्रिपिंग. वैसे तो ये ड्रिप नहीं होता है, बट स्टिल इट प्रोटेक्ट्स इट कि गलती से अगर दब भी गया, जो कि वो नहीं दबेगा अगर वो कैप लगा रहेगा तो अगेन अमेजिंग पैकेजिंग. आई लव how it is a spray and amazing results. बहुत अच्छा results है. I'm loving it. This is my second bottle. I have literally used 2 of it in last 6 months. So amazing. Hands down amazing. I'm again gonna take it. And this is something that I really want to give 10 out of 10, but I am not giving 10 out of 10 because abhi bhi there's a lot of scope the brand can work on the formula. So I will give it a 9, not a 10 out of 10, because see, it's amazing right now, but it can be way better. This can be way better. थोड़ा सा और अगर फॉर्मूला पे काम करेंगे, थोड़े और एक्टिव इंग्रेडिएंट्स डालेंगे, बिकॉज वी हैव सो मेनी प्रोडक्ट्स ऑन द मार्केट विथ सो मेनी ग्रेट एक्टिव इंग्रेडिएंट्स राइट नाउ. तो अगर काश वो इसमें भी होते हैं तो मुझे और भी अच्छा लगता है इसको यूज़ करने में, और मैं और भी यूज़ करती हूँ. बट अभी भी मैं यूज़ करूँगी, बट और मन से यूज़ करती हूँ. बट ठीक है. सो 9, not 10 out of 10, but 9. Good one. Okay. Now this is the complete morning routine that I do, and there is one last thing which I would like to include in this. This is definitely my morning routine, skincare routine, and this is how I do it. But after SPF, I do tend to apply a little foundation, a little concealer, and a little eye makeup, and a little everything. So prior to applying that, I love using the D'Alba First Serum Spray, and I love blending my foundation with it. I love blending my concealer with it. When I say with it, I mean I put on my concealer, I spray this, and I blend my concealer. And when I say I use it with my foundation, I put on little drops of my foundation, I spray this, and then I pat my foundation all over. This literally gives my foundation, concealer, the whole makeup a feel like it is skin. It feels like it is skin. I am using Huda Ka Easy Blur foundation, but when I spray and I do not want to use anything with it, but blend करने में there's this habit जो हो गया है, and I use this and it sets amazing. बहुत ही प्यारा लगता है. Easy Blur anyways is amazing, and this one just gives another, बोलते ना क्या बोलते वो एक फ्रेज है हिंदी में यार, D'Alba का फर्स्ट सीरम स्प्रे सो अमेजिंग. मैं रोज़ स्किन केयर रूटीन कंप्लीट होने के बाद, अगर मैं कभी नहीं कर रही होंगी मेकअप, मैंने सिर्फ ब्लश लगाया है, मैंने सिर्फ लिपस्टिक लगाई है, मैंने सिर्फ आई मेकअप किया है, तब भी मैं ये स्प्रे करती हूँ. माई स्किन लुक्स सो हाइड्रेटेड एंड इट जस्ट लुक्स सो good plumpy all the time when I use this. So definitely recommended. This is भाई इसकी जैसा प्रोडक्ट तो कोई है ही नहीं, तो इसको तो 100 out of 10, इसके साथ कोई प्रोडक्ट नहीं है, ठीक है. Now let's come on to our evening routine. So evening routine में I am literally not doing much. I am sometimes I am using a tretinoin. I am using tretinoin 3 times a week, and then other times I do my face wash. I use this pigment corrector because of the uneven skin tone. For the uneven skin tone, I use this. This reduces hyperpigmentation, works on your melasma, lightens the freckles. So definitely working on your uneven skin tone. Hence, I use this, and then I apply my moisturizers, and then it's done. Everything is set. और कभी कभी मेरा मन करता है तो मैं वापस ये यूज़ कर लेती हूँ बिफोर स्लीपिंग. एंड दैट इज़ अबाउट इट. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस कभी कभी मेरा मन और भी चीज़ें यूज़ करने का करता है, जैसे लिप balms. So I have this Laneige ka lip balm that I love to use, this one, and I am in love with it. But other times when I do my whole lip scrub routine, and also tend to use this lip mask by Miniso. ये वाला I use this too, and I don't know, I don't like it that much, but यूज़ कर लेती हूँ. यूज़ करने में क्या जाता है. But Laneige का कोई there's no comparing Laneige का lip mask by any other, but this also works. So that is about my complete routine that I have. Oh, maybe I missed out one thing. So मेरा तो स्टेपल है यार, मैं मेकअप निकालने के लिए एक ही ब्रांड यूज़ करती हूँ हमेशा से, which is this Klairs का deep black gentle, whatever this is, oil cleansing oil by Klairs. So I love using this, and this works amazing with my makeup. बहुत ही अच्छे से makeup melt कर देता है, पूरा निकल जाता है. And then I use एक sponge से I just wipe it off, and that's when I use my face wash. So that is about it. That is about my skincare routine, every product that I'm using currently, and loving them honestly. So I hope you like this video and would put down the links. अगर आप गुरुग्राम में हो, अगर आप सेक्टर 69 के आसपास हो, तो डेफिनेटली विजिट टू आवर क्लिनिक एंड ग्रैब दीज प्रोडक्ट्स. अगर आप नहीं आ सकते मेरे क्लिनिक, देन ऑब्वियसली यू कैन go on the link in the description and you can get these products, because these are amazing products. Trust me, hands down, these are amazing products. Definitely recommended. Okay, bye. Time to sleep.